This is Garmin. We found him in a little clearing. Garmin was named because we were kind of lost when we found him, and after a while, he more or less showed us the way out. Bless you. So, our friend Dean suggested we name him Garmin. You know, the GPS. This little clearing is kind of rare there where we found him. It is very densely wooded. With a lot of low clearance. Garmin has found a cow. But she's not going to make it easy for him. As she goes deeper into the woods, he goes deeper into the woods. But we won't go deeper into the woods. This is why finding these animals sometimes is not so easy. They can absolutely disappear. I think he's getting a little tired of this hiding in the woods thing, so he comes back out into the clearing. He gives it a little thought and I guess kind of shakes her off. She doesn't seem the least bit interested in him. And it looks like something else has his interest. Maybe it's time to move on. So we followed him through the clearing and found him bedded, but at that point, we knew how to get back. Thank you, Garmin, for showing us the way home. Oh, and don't worry, I'm sure that cow will be back for you. She's just playing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.